Hey there, Adam here. Today I'm going to quickly and efficiently show you how to add a table of contents to any page in Notion. Unlike my last two videos, you don't have to do this with a database. This can be done on any page at any time. All you have to know is you have to use headings for this to work correctly. It will not work at all if you are not using headings. So what is a heading? So this is a heading. So if you want to see your heading choices, just click on any block in Notion, click on the plus, and it is a basic block. You'll see H1, H2, H3. So H1s are your primary topics on a page. H2 is a subtopic, and H3 usually is a subtopic of the subtopic. And you can't go any deeper than H3 on Notion. Some other programs allow down to H6. H3 is as small as you get here, and it's perfectly fine, honestly. So you can see that, for example, this is an H1 versus an H2 versus an H3. You can see the size difference. I have already added a bunch of header tags so that we don't have to sit here and watch me type a bunch. So this is H1 with content inside of it. You can do any type of content you want as long as you're using headers. But then you got a subheading, another major heading with sub and then subheadings. And then I have left a space to show you how you can scroll through. So now that you have a structure to your page using headings, let's add a table of contents. So two different ways to do it. You can click on the plus, you can scroll down until you find it, or you can just do backslash table of contents. And then here, if you click on it, it will automatically populate with your subheadings. So your H1, your H2, H1, H2, and then your H3s. And then finally, your final main subject. So if you want to add an H3 right here, just watch the table. So you can also, instead of going here and clicking on H3, a shortcut for this, if you know Markdown, is just to do 3 pound keys. That's an automatic H3. So you're going to see it's already populated right here. New H3, and it automatically adds to the table. So it's a little hard to read by default. So what you're going to want to do is click on this to open the menu, go to color, and then you can change the text color to whatever color you want. You can change, I like to change the background personally, make it a little bit easier to find and read. Finally, you can click on the subheadings themselves. It'll light them up. If it's not showing, if it's down the page away, so you can click on it, it will take you to where it is in the page and light it up. That is the joys of headings. So any page, I basically any page that has a decent amount of scroll to it, I would add a table of contents and organize it correctly. Otherwise, a little hard to find things. And this also will give you an idea as to making sure that the page you're on actually has the content you're looking for. So it's just a nice way to structure your web pages, just like you would any other blog post or anything else on the internet. All right. Well, I hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.